What if I told you, confidence is not something you're born with, it's something you accidentally destroy, and today you'll learn how to rebuild it. The reason you're not confident has nothing to do with fear, talent, or personality. It's one habit you repeat every day without noticing. If you don't fix this one mindset today, your confidence will look exactly the same 5 years from now. By the end of this video, you won't feel confident. You'll understand how confident people are created. Confidence is not something you are born with. It is something you build, slowly, intentionally, daily. Many people think confidence belongs only to the lucky ones, the attractive, the rich, the talented, or the loud. But real confidence has nothing to do with your voice, your height, your clothes, or your background. Real confidence is an inner agreement with yourself. It is the quiet belief that I am enough and I am improving. In this video, we will deeply understand how confidence is built in personality, not just for a moment, but for life. Understanding what confidence really is. Confidence is not arrogance. Confidence is not showing off. Confidence is not pretending you are perfect. Confidence is self-trust. It is the ability to stand with yourself even when you fail, you are criticized, you feel afraid, you are not ready. A confident person does not say, "I will never fail." A confident person says, "Even if I fail, I will handle it." That belief changes everything. Most people try to build confidence by changing the outside. Better clothes, better phone, better body, better social image. But confidence is built from the inside, and then it reflects outside. The root cause of low confidence. To build confidence, we must first understand why confidence breaks. Confidence is damaged by constant comparison, childhood criticism, fear of judgment, repeated failure without reflection, living for approval, negative self-talk. Many people don't lack ability, they lack permission from themselves. From a young age, we are told, "Don't talk too much. What will people say? You are not good enough. Look at him, he is better." Slowly, the mind learns one dangerous habit, doubting itself. And when self-doubt becomes a habit, confidence disappears. Confidence starts with self-awareness. You cannot build confidence without knowing yourself. Most people are strangers to themselves. They don't know their strengths, their triggers, their values, their limits. Confidence grows when you clearly know what you are good at, what you are working on, what you accept about yourself. Sit with yourself and ask, what do I actually like about myself? What am I improving, not hiding? What kind of person do I want to become? A confident personality is not perfect, and it is clear. Stop waiting to feel confident. This is very important. Confidence does not come before action. Confidence comes after action. Most people say, "I'll speak when I feel confident. I'll start when I'm ready. I'll try when fear goes away." But confidence is built like a muscle. You don't wait to be strong to lift weight. You lift weight to become strong. Take action while afraid. Speak while nervous. Start while doubting. Every small action sends a message to your brain. I can handle discomfort. And that message creates confidence. The power of keeping promises to yourself. Nothing builds confidence faster than self-integrity. Every time you say, "I will wake up early," and don't. "I will start tomorrow," and delay. "I will stop this habit," and continue. Your brain learns, "I can't trust myself." And when self-trust breaks, confidence dies. Start with small promises. 10 minutes of focus, 1 workout, 1 page of reading, 1 honest conversation. Keep them. Confidence is built when your actions match your words, especially when no one is watching. Improve your inner dialogue. Your personality is shaped by the voice inside your head. If you constantly say, "I'm not good enough," "I always mess up," "Others are better than me," your brain believes it. Confident people are not always positive, but they are supportive toward themselves. Build competence to build confidence. Confidence without skill is fragile. Skill without confidence is hidden. Real confidence comes from competence. If you want confidence in speaking, practice speaking. Career, develop valuable skills. Fitness, train your body. Social life, improve communication. The more skilled you become, the less you need validation. Work quietly. Improve daily. Let your growth speak. Stop comparing your chapter 1 with someone's chapter 20. Comparison is confidence's biggest enemy. Social media shows, highlight reels. filtered success, edited lives. You compare your behind the scenes with someone's best moments. Remember, everyone you admire was once insecure. Everyone confident was once unsure. Everyone strong was once weak. Compare yourself only with who you were yesterday. Growth, confidence. Accept that discomfort is part of confidence. Confidence is not comfort. Confidence is tolerance for discomfort. Confident people feel fear but move anyway. Feel nervous but speak anyway. Feel judged but stay authentic. They don't avoid discomfort. They befriend it. Every uncomfortable situation you survive makes you stronger. Build a confident body language. Your body teaches your mind. Stand straight. Make eye contact. Speak clearly. Slow down your movements. Even if you don't feel confident at first, your posture sends signals to your brain. I am safe. I am in control. The mind follows the body. Confidence grows when you stop seeking approval. The moment you stop asking, do they like me? What will people think? Am I enough for them? And start asking, do I respect myself? Am I being honest? Am I growing? You become powerful. Approval makes you dependent. Self-respect makes you confident. Create a confident identity. Stop saying, I'm shy, I'm bad at talking, I'm not confident. Your words become your identity. Start saying, I'm improving, I'm learning to speak, I'm building confidence. Identity shapes behavior. Behavior builds confidence. 14. Confidence is a daily practice. Confidence is not a destination. It is a daily choice. Some days you feel strong, some days you feel weak, but confidence means showing up anyway. Even on bad days, even when motivation is low, even when fear is loud. Final message. Confidence is not loud. Confidence is not perfect. Confidence is not fearless. Confidence is self-trust built through action. Confidence in personality is not about becoming someone new. It is about returning to who you were before fear taught you to hide. As children, we spoke freely, tried without overthinking, and expressed ourselves without asking for permission. But slowly, experiences, criticism, rejection, and comparison taught us to shrink. We learned to silence our thoughts, edit our words, and measure our worth through other people's reactions. Confidence disappears the moment we start living for acceptance instead of truth. Rebuilding it requires courage, not the courage to impress, but the courage to be honest. When you stop performing and start expressing, something powerful happens. Your personality becomes grounded. You no longer chase attention. You attract respect. You no longer fear judgment. You understand that judgment says more about the observer than about you. True confidence is calm, steady, and deeply rooted. It does not need applause to exist. It grows quietly when you choose authenticity over approval, progress over perfection, and self-respect over validation. And once your personality is aligned with who you truly are, confidence stops being an effort and it becomes your natural state. You don't need permission. You don't need validation. You don't need to wait. Start small. Stay consistent. Be patient with yourself. One day, you will look back and realize you didn't become confident overnight. You became confident by not giving up. And that is real power. Confidence is not the absence of fear. It is the decision to stop running from yourself. It is built in quiet moments. When you choose to speak even though your voice shakes. When you try again after failing. And when you stand by your values even if no one claps for you. The world will always have opinions, but only you have control over your effort, your honesty, and your growth. Stop waiting for the day you magically feel ready. That day comes after you move, not before. Start showing up as you are, imperfect but intentional. With every small action, every honest step, and every moment of courage, you are rebuilding trust with yourself. And when self-trust is strong, confidence becomes unshakable. One day, without realizing it, you will look back and see that the person you were afraid to be is exactly who you became. Confidence is not built when life is easy. It is built when you choose not to quit on yourself during hard moments.